As the leaves turn golden and the air cools, it's time for a harvest festival feast. Today we're making stuffed peppers that celebrate the bounty of the season. Start by selecting vibrant bell peppers, red, yellow, or green. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees. For the filling, sauté chopped onions, garlic, and seasonal veggies like zucchini and corn in olive oil until tender. Add cooked quinoa or rice for heartiness, along with black beans for protein. Spice it up with cumin, paprika, and a dash of salt. Mix in shredded cheese for creaminess. Stuff each bell pepper generously with this mixture and place them upright in a baking dish. Pour a little vegetable broth at the bottom to keep them moist while baking. Cover with foil and bake for 30 minutes. Then uncover and bake for an additional 15 minutes until the peppers are tender and the tops are golden. While the peppers roast, let's dive into the tradition of harvest festivals. These celebrations date back centuries, honoring the agricultural bounty and giving thanks for the year's crops. Enjoy these flavorful stuffed peppers with family and friends as you gather around the table, celebrating the season's gifts together.